Indlalifa ngumfana nkazana isunu ngubani zabarum dum dum Indlalifa
Over, course clear, I repeat, course clear, the AK-47 are negative and the 9mm also a negative. Course clear, over.
Guys, what happened in the kitchen? Guys, we have been robbed, mommy.
What?
We were robbed in my bag.
Frichan. My fridge is there.
Oh, fully in the fridge. Did you even open the fridge? I'm serious, man. This gentleman wants to tell out his fate.
Tell him what?
My little so. Good morning,
Go to bed, sit in. Skasta, thieves breaks in here, but Nangai interest me.
Malume, they took all the food in the house, sell the fridge.
You guys were not robbed. You have been the robbers yourselves. All this time.
I knew it.
You knew it? You knew what?
That were robbers.
Exactly. You have been robbers all this while. You have been eating food that you have never bought at all.
Oh, Malume, don't tell me you took all the food or else.
Yes.
Or else.
You took everything.
Liya.
My baby. Shut up. Aliga God. You kids are spoiled and you're so relaxed.
Malume, it's just that we are hungry, Malume. Yes.
Very good. Your auntie realized ukuthi mina angibona ngivula you're acting nonsense, little kids, and you have no future.
Oh, by auntie, you mean Mom Nangai?
Only I call it that. What will you do in Maragaba? Shut up, Baya! When I'm busy, I don't
We are. When are you a snake, Winnet?
Mama Nangai, you would tell me Nangai always. Most of the abantu abami bafe ngendlala nje. Nsithi hayi nguthembile.
Your uncle is trying to shape your future.
Shut up! Nguwe lo, nguwe wonke lo yenze konke lo.
Zamba nokuhlonipha umuntu omdala. Anti bewazi ubuzibambe mbijana.
Mama Nangai. Thina sakuletha la. Ukuthi wenza ukuthi into zibe ngcono phakathi kwethu lo bamncane ku treatment. Kodwa wena wenza into zibe wes.
Your uncle is calling you.
Guys, don't worry. There's something to eat. Lemons! Sam, ukuthi manje uzokhuluma ngakuthi sizivukele ekseni, sidle, silale. I mean, that's what our generation does.
Boss Ginger, uyabona nathi sasise France so. Sasise stage
ese-America, ese-Russia, ese-Iran, ese-Iraq. Zonke swazixoxa. Asikhumbuke lapha kathesi.
Hayi uyabona sokumele ubhadale izitori zami ngihlale ngikuxoxele mahara.
Zamba, uyazi mina ngiyindlalifa. Ngeke ngivumele umalume elambisa abantu abami mina ngikhona. Hayi, I have to do something.
Boss Ginger, mina I'm the comrade of this house. Uyabona sathi sise
ufuna ukuthenga kumbe ukuboleka Tobi?
Hayi ngongora.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Right. Themba liyawazi ukuthi situation lapha ekhaya isinzima ngaphandle.
So munye ngamunye mele nedinga imisebenzi. So that you bring something. Ibe liphethe something la endlini. Siyazwana? Siyazwa. Right, barani ngemisebenzi efuna ukuyenza lapha emaphephe lapha. Ufuna ukukopa?
Zamba. Alibuyibe.
Sengizathi ke ukwakhangela ngaqeda lo bani? Lo mama Nangai. Ukwakhathesi get out. Get out of inside, hey.
I'm posted looking at Kanye la voting lampion queen.
Hey, calm down, guys. Calm down.
Boss Squint where?
Khuluma Zamba.
Hayi khuluma wena Boss Ginger how?
Wafuna indlalifa lisenza yonke into.
First of all, Indlalifa yimi. And I don't have time for this nonsense. Kulumani, what's up? And then let's open telekhuluma ilokudla phakathi.
Okay Boss Ginger sikhulume kawani.
All right.
1 2 go.
Come on.
1 2 3.
Asenze ethi ama-artist 5 6 7 8.
Madam Stengsi bar.
Guys, isithengisi was pipe.
Stengsi was pipe le football.
Guys, isithengisi ifotulo lepiki.
Le bara le football le piki le was pipe.
Le fork kuphela.
Umuntu wegage madam utheka ta moto.
Jesus, what's wrong with you guys? So you guys decided to sell everything and you even sold the gate.
Umuntu wegate usinike half guys. Nani sezenza abantu abathanda ukuthengisa lana.
Is that an excuse? Angihleki lawe ngohamba lithisa everything or else nomalume yamtshela. Funza ukubophisa ngakubophisa. Imali yakho ninga?
Good question. This is funa as leso.
Yeah.
What food?
At least.
Ready?
Ta-da!
Bubble gums, Baya. Hey, seriously. Like seriously, bubble gums.
Madam, ngitsho ukuthi asithenga ama-chewing-gum kuphela, inobe thenga ama-bubble.
Ngemali yonke ikho lo elikuthengileyo.
Oh, guys, come on. Obvious, there is more, guys.
And then
Senze abantu alingi.
more bubble gums, Baya. Like more bubble gums, Baya. Seriously, more. Guys, you didn't even buy milk.
Hayi, Basquin. Kanza kuda frawa yini nginda?
Flavor. Zamba. Overheat.
Nantwana lenhliziyo ezulu ukhuni lina. Mithi ngabe liyabonga la. Into eziyasihlafuna non-stop lina.
Futhi ungayihlafuna kaningi, madam.
Guys. Ukulamba singabe silambile sibilani. Kodwa ukusalayo siyahlafuna and sohlala sihlafuna.
Nambe thatha amathuza ami wena. Ngiserious ngiyafuna.
Ngabe sihlafuna la.
Kodwa madam ngiyakwazi ukuthi wasuma skills wethu basijinja so. Abantu kari feeling ngidlala.
Alright, Zamba. Manje sithengise konke. Amathuzo engakade ngiwathengisile. Somsebenzi wakho ngwani. Usamsebenzi wena ukuze ukusela amathuzo engadini. So manje umthaqana yakho. Uchaya isingesakho. Ha.
Wena uyahlanya. Yimi Indlalifa la. Awume uloqothwa yimi ngimqotshayo. Uyezwa? Wena Zamba, you're fired. Fired.
Kodwa basijim usukujikela bhero nje kanjalo sengingizivi kungilahla nje. Basijinja. Yena bantwana. Yayini ngomani. Come to here. Uwe lokele ubhalela.
Malume manje sesibhala umsebenzi sabhala.
Squint. Come to here.
Malume,
Akungitshela uwe lokho ubhalela. Excellent. Lengo lo usquint lena bantwana.
Malume phela lo bhuti wakhe lo.
Ubhuti wani?
Lo bhuti wakhe umfundisayo lo.
Ubhuti wenzani? Ha?
Akuthule wena. Abakuthiwa Liya, Doctor, Zamba, Brigadier, Elphina, Pilot, Baya, Denzel, Washington. Abakuthiwani?
Malume mina ngicela ibhanzi mina. Ayi.
Wena squint wakho.
hawu malume kodwa nakwazi mina ngiyafuna nje.
Ufunda ngabona bana angazi ngubona usiya esikolweni uhlala ubala mchokotsho.
Hawu malume ngingabhala.
And then
Somile ama results.
usamelela ama results igap lona udinga imali mfana wami. Okay?
Yeah, mina kodwa nakwazi malume. Angizoze ngidinga imali.
Kanjani?
Imali ngizenza la.
Lapha. Hawu.
Malume, njengamanje ngiqeda kunceda laba nge-spelling confusion zawo. So mele benzeni? Bengibhadala.
Okay.
So, it's simple. Do what you love. And love what you do.
Wena bamdala ke mbhalela phansi kona lokho masinya. Lena badala nomntwana kathesi so kuyafana umntana imbadala yakho badala
Ichinga phela le mfana kumalume 1.
Zamba badala
Zamba. Ngena moya ba.
badala lapho
Kade wenza njani?
wakho lapho kuya le mpi zakho lapha
Malume.
I want to teach you something.
Hayi malume, alifuni isiqale sidle at least sibe sesifundisana.
Usidlale baya uyahlafuna already ufuna ukudlala wena mfana wayekhali kangaka so. I must teach you babana yabona i-future yakho you have to prepare for it now. Hayi kona ukukhetha imisebenzi leyo ukuchaza abantu ukufashayela it's simple. You must love what you love. Squint.
Do what you love. And love what you do.
Exactly.
So, malume, if likwazi wonke lokho, indaba lingayidinga lithenge seleke luhluphana laba.
Kade uthini wena?
Oh malume, lapha usisinyana uzama ukuthi ukhona ohlabela ingoma angayigidiyo.
Mina ngile nkomo zami angifuna umbuluzelo.
Wenkumenza yatsho mkhulu.
Lo muzi wami.
Watsho ngokumala.
Angitsho le bhokwana phela ngitsho le. Bozilobela ngathi nginkala kade estand mina mfana sokufika ukuthi ngisukuma sokufika isabhabha yami ngiyake ngiqede mfana ngithenga imbuzi sami ngithenga lokho iproblem nje ukuthi umnikazi wakho estand ngisambone so ngingambhadali so
Not paid. So that means it's not paid for. Which means asiso senu.
Uzinanzelele Liya. Sezwana? Amfuna umuntu ongintshisana nami lapha endlini. Sezwana?
Malume, no. It's okay. We will inspire you. So many people that preach things that they can't even do.
Zwanini before hayani kopuka ngicela njenga khathesi sona iphumule konke abasebenzela khona njenga khathesi so before hayani zikhulele. Afuna into njani ngiyenzela something plan.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Yakungoba ngilo ngokhijana medium after expiring amical gardening.
So you made your money through robbery. Oh well, nice. Real nice. Real nice. Real.
Mina, mine was easy. All I did was to find a spot in town. Nobody theater. But all I'm going to say these days abantu abahleli. And then bekulo mdala dehlise eceleni kwami. Abantu lokho befaka imali yami kuye. Yabo umdala begqoka amazaza ehamba ngesigodo so.
Oh my God. So you made your money through robbing a blind man. You robbed a blind man, Gavin. Fair.
I'm not going to namhla. Imali ngiyenzile namhla. Azi ngithengisa kuligunya kwami okuyi1. One. Afika ungabafana kufuna ukungidelela ngoski. Ngathi akutrapula ngakudabula ngaye.
Oh, so you're a gangster, you're a gambler. So we have a gangster in the house. Gambler. And then I'm going to get another novella, man.
Ngizolana ngomphawu. Ufuna ukuthi ngisidlale.
Yeah, Squinty, you're the wizard. Then your idea worked. It worked. We all made money. So I want us to do a video to inspire other youths, and do the same thing.
Yeah, you know that I'm camera shy, man.
Squinty, alright, listen to this song. I'll get you a library pass for my library boyfriend.
Upongol, no rude.
No, man, you love more,
Okay. Sunday.
Alright, so who should just...
Don't know, now my ads, it was to lose.
Director Zamba ukhona. Yabona yiko okuthiwa yibo abantu.
yabona lizambile la. Understand? Sibone Baya artist. Zamba landscaper. Sibone? Hi. And then Elphina says lady that ukumbona on a separate note. Liya mzukulwami, musician, celebrity, TV personality, public figure, etc.
Mina ngibhadala usikonithabhale wonke nibhala ama-ETC yakhe. Mina musician music bhadala after 15 years. Angiyawazi.
Okay. Bisane nga imali zenu ngigcinele mina. Ngizakugcinela nomalume. Bisa lapha Baya. Baya. Ngithenge ngigcinela imali zenu zonke. I will keep it safe.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is a lifetime lesson. Don't wait for someone to call you for a job. Create it.
Squint, uyangidisturba. Since ngalahla le tune ngenxa yakho. Mana, wo.
Zamba. Phela uphuma thina phela.
boss njengoba ngithanda confusion. How? Sawukhipha ku boss kathi uyazi rule of thirds.